Welcome back. I am from Just Launch Vitamin Tree Water. Gel New Cool Upgrade. Now, it is more cooling, calming, and lightweight. Which name is I am? From Vitamin Tree Water Gel Advance, I'm absolutely hooked on the new and improved I am from Vitamin Tree Water Gel Advance. This viral cooling cream is perfect for tackling the scorching summer heat. It gives an incredible sensation of rubbing ice all over your face. It's non-sticky, feels incredibly light and refreshing, and absorbs super fast into your skin. The advanced formula includes Vitalift cooler ingredients, providing a revitalizing cooling effect perfect for soothing heat-stressed skin. With 1% panthenol and 4% niacinamide, this gel is packed with higher concentrations of key ingredients that calm, hydrate, and brighten your skin. The transparent gel texture melts under your fingers, spreading and absorbing quickly without leaving a greasy finish. It contains 68% vitamin leaf water from infused vitamin tree leaves, along with rose jericho and lotus, to hydrate and protect rough and damaged skin. The added vitamin C brightens your complexion. I have oily and acne-prone skin, and this moisturizer works amazingly. It's scent-free, doesn't irritate my skin, and deeply moisturizes without leaving a greasy finish. Although I'm a bit concerned about the glass packaging since I'm clumsy, the inclusion of a spatula is a thoughtful touch. Final thoughts. I was pleasantly surprised by the advanced version of a cream I have greatly enjoyed using before. The new formula literally melts under your fingers, spreading and absorbing instantly. It gives your skin a refreshing feel, making it perfect for summertime use. Overall, this moisturizer is great for everyday use, and I'm sure you'll love it too.